What is going on, guys? Today I'm bringing you something exciting. All you guys know that I'm working on my Jeep Wrangler. If you haven't seen the video, check it out in the link below. But today I'm doing an unboxing and review of the Duo socket. I'll tell you why this thing is great. It's an amazing kit, guys. You get overwhelmed. There's a lot of options. There's snap-on tools. It gets pretty expensive, so I started looking at options, and I fell on Grey Pneumatic Duo socket set. Now this thing is great because you can use it as an impact wrench, or you can use it as a regular socket hand use. So what you get in this kit is basically 29 pieces. The socket range from 10 millimeter all the way to 36 millimeter. They don't skip any numbers. So it's 10, 11, 12 all the way through to 36, so which is great. Obviously you can use these as an impact, so you don't have the chance to breaking them or cracking or all these issues that you get. Now I got this set because I wanted to work on my Jeep Wrangler. The first project I'm looking at is obviously changing the tie rod, as I explained in the video when I introduced my Jeep Wrangler. And also this can be used as a impact and hand use, so that's the number one thing, that so you don't have to have two different sets. You can only have one, or you can use it for both. Now normally the sockets are thicker when used in impact wrench, but these ones are engineered to be also thin, and but they can also withstand impact wrench. I did use the sockets to change my tires on my Corolla, so they work very well. The kit comes with 29 pieces, sockets from 10 millimeter to 36 millimeter. Also comes with 24 tooth quick release ratchet. Now the quick release ratchet is it's good. There's obviously better out there, but I mean, it's still good. It has a low profile ratchet design, gives you great access. It has a quick release button, so it's a day-to-day, it's a good ratchet. Also the kit also comes with a 3-inch extension and a 6-inch extension. So the number one thing about Grey Pneumatic is it's a dual socket, so you don't have to have two sets. You can only have one. I chose the 1/2-inch drive deep metric socket set. Obviously on a Jeep Wrangler everything's metric, and what's great is it has all of them from 10 to 36 sockets. So this thing is going to be very useful on my projects coming up. If you would like to learn more about this product, check out the link below. I'll leave it there, and the model number on this is 82629MD. Check them out. It's a 6-point. They also have 6-point, 12-point designs. This one in particular is a 6-point design. Don't see myself using impact with a 12-point sockets, but if you rather have a 12-point sockets, there's an option also as well for these. This set will start my toolbox, so very handy, very great set. I don't have to have a million different type of sockets. I can just have this kit, and it will do everything I wanted to do on my Jeep. So check them out, very good stuff. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys already have this, let me know how well they work. If you have any suggestions or comments about this kit in particular, let me know. Thanks.